We had a meeting with all the political parties today to share the different conclusions that had come in the different meetings that we had of the regional committees, as well as the ultimate final MOU and conclusion that was there between the two state governments. And so I have shared in micro details all the facts and figures with the leaders of different political parties, and of course they have asked for a black and white copy. So today I had given a statement on the floor of the House, and that particular statement will be obviously made available to the members. In fact, it is being sent right now, and by tomorrow I think press also will be receiving it within a few minutes or a maximum a few hours. And so based on that, as I said, I will be proceeding to Delhi on the 9th, where I'm hopeful that we'll be able to come to some kind of a conclusion along with the Assam government and the government of India.
Any suggestion or anything they have asked to change, or any suggestion?
No, of course, I was very clear, like today also we had made it clear in the House that there are certain areas which were there which had some complications, and which we explained on why those areas needed to be, the decision had to be made on those lines. And after the explanation was given, they have understood more or less what the reasons were. And we stress on the fact that there are certain principles and yardsticks on which basis we have moved forward in certain areas. And we cannot just simply go ahead and in the other areas where it doesn't suit us, we have applied different yardstick. So, once a yardstick or a principle is applied in one area, then we have to make sure that the same principle continues in different areas also. So, based on that, we had a detailed discussion on all the areas, and we have tried to clarify most of the issues and concerns that they had. So, more or less, hopefully they were all satisfied.